OpenBlue is leveraging AI to make our customers' lives just a little bit easier. Artificial intelligence has changed a lot of our daily lives and has certainly changed a lot in the built environment. And so one of the things I'm super excited about is how we're currently using features from generative AI to help our customers understand their facilities a lot better, specifically in the areas of how their energy is being used against traditional baselines for those types of facilities. So one of the great things our customers have told us about is they want to use AI, but they don't know where to start and they don't know what questions to ask. And so one of the things we've done in OpenBlue is we've asked the questions for them. And so within our product, generative AI is providing answers to questions we ask on behalf of the customers that can give them really specific information and data about how their facilities are performing from an energy use perspective. And we can give them recommendations about how to potentially reduce their energy expenditure and improve their sustainability footprint in the building.
Our approach towards AI and autonomous buildings is across 3 different layers. We are looking at building connectivity, data onboarding, and all data services. Number 2, we are looking at all of the continuous learning and optimization algorithms that can help with outcomes like energy prediction, optimization of chiller plant operations, predictive maintenance, worker safety monitoring, and so on. And then at the top layer, we are looking at how AI enables the next generation of experience for our customers, which could be a generative AI-powered interactive chatbot. It could be an autonomous control panel where they can control how AI-based optimizations apply to their buildings and systems. Or you can also look at this from the concept of a workflow-based AI where a SOP or some kind of response and react mechanism is totally automated by using some combination of manual and automated tasking. All in all, AI is now at the core of OpenBlue, and we are watching adoption and helping customers make that transition to the smart autonomous building of the future.